like me so. Bitch, you talk too much. Tell me what's the rush. You don't know me well. I belong in hell. All the shit I did, I'm a trouble kid. You can't break my code. 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 Yeah, you can't break my code. 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 Yeah.
All bitches getting knocked out, niggas catching cuts like movies. All bitch try to pop up, little bitch, you can't fool me. Real raps look like hot sauce, baby, you should wanna come to me. Made bitch in my iPhone, cause these little thoughts in the nudies. Got them titties getting boxed up like a motherfucking pair of Subies. Give me hair, bitch, ducked up, she got purple hair like.
You don't know me well. I belong in hell.
All the shit I did, I'm a trouble kid. You can't break my code.
You can't break my code. You can't break my code.
You can't break my code. Yeah.
You can't break my code. 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 Yeah.
T up, tryna read up on everything cause we need it. Flexing with my best friend cause her ex-man got deleted. Other half, you're my better half. I got hella rap on the sneakers. Hella tracks, I got hella raps. I might fuck around and go legal. Living better, she can get whatever, baby. Put it all on a visa. On the go when I'm getting dough, nigga. Get a slice of the pizza. You ain't shit, you ain't bitch shit, nigga. Stop trying to get a feature. Same niggas on that hate shit, they the same niggas still sleeping like me so.
Bitch, you talk too much. I'm moving the slow. Tell me what's the rush. You don't know me well. I belong in hell. I'm the shit I did. I'm a trouble kid. Yeah, yeah.
You can't break my code.
You can't break my code. You can't break my code. You can't break my code. Yeah, you can't break my code. 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 Yeah.
I'm a gangster bitch. I'm a pistol party, get it out the mud, bitch. I'm the type of bitch you might just fall in love with. Yeah, I'm looking for the money, where the plug at? Where the plug at? I'm a rich bitch. Finesse a nigga out of life, he ain't get shit. I'm a bullets come free, I'm a lit bitch. Think that bitch mad, she ain't his bitch. Hey, hey. I ain't got to use no chop, I drop shit. Hey, flexing for the ground, bitch, fuck a pic. All my bitches getting money, we ain't doing dicks. And your nigga taking orders, he a fucking trick. I ain't flexing for a nigga who ain't got shit. I ain't chillin' by no bitch, I'ma stop them. All my niggas wanna kill us, get rocked in. Bitch, you broke and you mad, I'm a hot bitch. I ain't gotta talk big, bitch, I body about it. Pop up at your crib, make you come up out it. I take a bitch, nigga, have her in her body. Name honey, bitch, you can come and lick it. I'm a gangster bitch. I'm a pistol pop and get it out the mud, bitch. I'm the type of bitch you might just fall in love with. Yeah, I'm looking for the money, where the plug at? Where the plug at?
Shit, you ain't bitch shit, nigga. Stop trying to get a feature. Same niggas on that hate shit, they the same niggas still sleeping
Like me so. Bitch, you talk too much. I'll move in the snow. Tell me what's the rush. You don't know me well. I belong in hell. All the shit I did, I'm a trouble kid.
You can't break my code. You can't break my code.
Fox niggas talk more than bitches, niggas really be on cock though. Just fuck the hoe out in France, paint her face like Picasso. I iced out my vatos, I'm really out. Big ass gamer, big bands in my big neck. Starts playing around on my phone, ho, give me sex. Watch on my wrist, out of date, but it's Rolex.
Hey.
Next, I'm up now, stuck a bullet clip. 550, 600 hundreds, 720s, let's get straight to it. 800 tears, what's that 8 bands? Hit the store and get some rubber bands, let's get straight to it. Everybody come together, everybody got the plan, he came with two. So if he still fall on you, we on your ass. Hey, your mans call his mans, make sure they ain't moving fast. Soon as they touch Atlanta, get with both secure the bag. Hey, back secure, that's on my mama, bro. Hey, some little hoe, she right that dick, Yokohama, go. Make that shit double, got a Uzi, I don't stop for not a bang. With that bang in my club like an airbag. Niggas only aiming in the sky, try those Air Max. All up in Nina's cuffing shit, I'm fucking price tag, I'm ballin'. Ain't there a right nigga in the gang that I'm calling. If I need help, I'll dollars by my CK. You spray your bitch faithful, she sent her.
street for the hip hop.
From the block to the TikTok and the petite watch, quick drop with the cash, couldn't fit the zip like grips like get your shit popped in my flip flops. Walking out, but every dollar I still want it all. Now he wanna know me, I could give you manicure. You gotta know me, but I don't check my spam at all. Never feel what you're saying like I'm using number sword. Travel all around the states, getting nice checks. I was pouring up the tech, I had a hype set. Is that the reason all these niggas wanna pipe next? I'm a creep bitch, see his dick through his night text.
Hey, word or tongue, wanna swing at the mic.
I work hard, took the right steps, had a shot, so I took this shit. Now this game gon' need a life vest.
I'm parked out front in a Range Rover. Coke white so tight, game over. Coupe to the block, pop to the bank. Car full of girls in a blue Mustang. More y'all caravan. VIP, model in hand, bottle in hand, wobble again. I make it crack in the back of the bitch for cracking the frame. On the highway, just me and Wiz. With a dirty dozen, about to hand Liz. Was they cousins or was they twins? I love it when they both go all in. Like that, this one and that one. See, he wants the cute one, I want the fat one. Does she pay, does she rent? I'm looking for a gift for holiday. I got all these chains bought up, and I got all this drink bought up. I bought all these bottles up in this club. Can't live with all my dogs, but I'm trying to live with you and your friends. Yeah, trying to live with you and your friends.
Give me hair, bitch, duck, duck. She got purple hair like Ozzy. Smuggle shit, tryna double shit. Put the boot bags in the coochie. Suck it, fuck, I ain't fall in love, baby.
Hey.
Don't start no
Bitch, you talk too much. I move in the snow. Me, what's the rush? You don't know me well. I belong on hell. In the shit I did, I'm a trouble kid. You can't break my code.
You can't break my code.
Yeah, yeah.
You can't break my code.
You can't break my code. Yeah, you can't break my code. You can't break my code. You can't break my code.
You can't break my code. Yeah.
Hey you guys, good morning. It is currently 9:30 and it's Friday, June 15th. And as you guys can see, I already took my shower and I'm wearing this dress. And I'm about to go out with a friend, so hopefully that turns out well. You guys will get to see this person in my vlog. But anyways, I will talk to you guys later. So you guys, I just did my makeup and this is what it's looking like. Ooh, that lighting though. Ooh, get it girl, get it. Mwah, mwah. But yeah, this is my outfit. And this is my makeup. Ta-ta. And I will see you guys later. Bye, y'all. So, you guys, it is currently 10:07. And I'm about to walk to the gas station. I like my makeup today. It's really cute. But this is what I'm wearing. And at 20 bucks I'm supposed to get hot Cheetos and some drinks. So hopefully that's not too much to carry. But anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Oh, and I'm gonna be with a friend later today, like in 2 hours, so hopefully I gotta get my groove on. I need to get to moving because, you know, I want to be at my home when they come and see me. So, but anyways, I'll see you guys later. So you guys, it's currently 10:27 and I am leaving the gas station. As you guys can see, I got my goodies, drinks, and 3 bags of hot Cheetos like my man told me to do. And now I'm headed home. I need to get home because the person that's picking me up, which is a friend, they're almost ready to come pick me up. So I want to be home when they come pick me up. But anyways, I'll talk to you guys when I get home. Bye, y'all. Y'all, I was just walking and look at this. Somebody got arrested. Or not arrested, but pulled over. I was walking and all of a sudden there was that trailer and a cop behind it and it went whoop and it scared the shit out of me, y'all. It scared the shit out of me. Somebody got pulled over today. Glad it's not me. So you guys, it's currently 10:42. I'm out of breath because I wanted to hustle because somebody's going to pick me up. So got the goodies, and now I'm back at home so I can relax for a second. Because I just went to the gas station, didn't even spend time there, and walked right back home. Adrian. Huh? He told me to go and get that stuff, so I did. Whew. My hair is all messed up. By the way, y'all, that was my babe's little brother, but asking if Angel was here, which is my man. But anyways, I'm gonna settle down, y'all, and relax for a second, and I'll see you guys later. So you guys, it's currently 10:47, and I forgot to show y'all what I got at the gas station. As you guys know, I already gave Adrian his hot Cheetos, and we got 2 other hot Cheetos. One's flamin' and one's lemon, I guess. I didn't realize that I got 2 different kinds. And I got Coca-Cola for babe. And I got me diet because I'm diabetic, so let me get it real quick. So yeah, you guys, I got that. And this is the change that was left over from the 20. So you know. But anyways, I will talk to you guys later. So you guys, it is currently 1:34, and I haven't smoked for just a little bit, so I am kind of stoned, y'all. Don't mind my stoner mode. I tend to be more funny, hilarious, more out there when I smoke. So yeah, y'all, I'm just here and just relaxing since I couldn't chill with that friend. I went off on my friend, like, if something's more important than, you know, going and having a connection with someone that's real, like me, I tell you how I think, whether you like it or not. Like, you're not that kind of friend, you know, and that's what I'm looking for. Someone that's honest, that doesn't lie, that says things straight up instead of hiding them from us, you know? But anyways, I will see you and talk to you guys later. Bye, y'all. So you guys, it is currently 12:24, and as you guys can see, put makeup on and everything before I went to the gas station. As you guys know, I was going to hang out with a person, but this is the 3rd time that they said they were going to come in and see me that day, and all of a sudden something came up. Like, I'm sick of that. Like, don't do that shit to me. Like, don't fucking do it. 3rd time you're out, like, for real. Like, I don't do that shit. Like, if you're gonna come and see me, come and see me. But if you're gonna put everybody else in front of me and it's the 3rd time you've done this shit, then I'm done. Like, I'm done. I'm cool. I'll be by myself and smoke by myself. Period, end of story. But anyways, I'm about to go smoke because I'm stressed the fuck out. This ain't cool. It's not cool to stand somebody up 3 fucking times. Like, come on, bro. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. So you guys, it's currently 2:35, and I currently wrote down the vlogs I need to put up, and I'm currently just relaxing. I'm kind of tired. I just munched on some food, so But anyways, I will talk to you guys on Monday. I hope you liked my video. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you guys on my next vlog. Bye, y'all.